Hey guys, it's Blair with Revit Media, and I'm with Cheryl Jackson. Now, Cheryl Jackson is one of the awesome people from All Wrapped Up, and she kept all of us safe working at RevitAuto and made sure that we had all the marketing and all the benefits of safety and making sure everyone knows who's working on their vehicle, even with a mask on. So I'm gonna stop chatting and I'm gonna let Cheryl explain to you what she does, how she does it, and why she's the best in the business.
I appreciate helping companies through COVID. It's been challenging for all businesses. However, All Wrapped Up has been quite successful in our ability to help companies who needed promotional items like hand sanitizer and masks to keep their employees safe. So All Wrapped Up, we've been around since 1991. We really get to know our clients. That's most important. How can you help a company promote their brand if you don't know what they do? So that is our primary focus, to work with our clients to get to know what their brand is, what their messaging is, and then we try to represent their brand with promotional products, with promotional wearables. You see, I have this lovely All Wrapped Up jacket keeping me warm. Again, we do promotional products, we do wearables, we help companies present their brand by providing graphic design services. We even do the printing. So we call ourselves a one-stop shop, but the most important aspect of our business is we want you to stand out from your competitors. So if you're looking for a company to help you present your brand, to promote awareness and to increase sales, call on All Wrapped Up. And again, I'm Cheryl Jackson, and thanks, Blair, for this opportunity.